ngalenza utho.
Yenza, let's see.
Inkinga ngithi bazongibopha.
Let's see.
Bazongibopha phela. Bazongibopha. Manje indlela engikwazi ukuthi ngilwe ngayo ukuvoice.
Njoba ngisho ukuthi yiso nalesi ke esikayani uswalusi. Ukuthi we're all angry ngesikhathi ekhishwe ejele. But wakuphuma wahlala for 2 years South Africa.
Kwathula
2 ngathi akekho. Mase hamba futhi hayi uhambelana. But the guy has been here for 2 years and you guys didn't do anything. Even bona politicians, these same politicians, the same ANC, the same people personally kubona ukufaka Chris Hani didn't do anything for 2 years. They have power. But mase hamba ofile Mbalula, hayi this is not. But guys, the guy has been here for 2 years. If you wanted to shoot this guy and kill this guy, you would have done it. Namandla, you have power to do all these things. So don't act as if you guys are now set. So the guy's been out for 2 years and no one did anything.
Futhi ngoba sekuthola sekuzothola for the rest of our
sekuphelile ke perfect. Asekho umuntu into ophinda ekhuluma lento.
For the
yabo nje bangikhuluma indaba ye national shutdown last week yonke besibeleselo nge #national shutdown the whole week to a Monday namhlanje it's a Monday today.
Okay, guys, sesingenile kwi-festive and ibonakele eThekwini this weekend ukuthi ngempela abantu sebe ready for i-festive because nezinto bekunemicimbi eminingi ebeyenzeka eThekwini o beach fest, kunama games akhona enzakalayo kwi-cricket, kunama games akhona enzakalayo kwi-rugby njalo njalo. So ebengifisa sikubhekeke noma ebengifisa ukuthi sibonisane ngako la. Let's say siyaphuma sobathathu noma soba4 noma golide siba kwi-road trip ne nasiphuma sekwabe kwi-road trip mhlawumbe you are going to Gauteng, Mpumalanga, Cape Town etc. Siqala nini noma kuqala nini ukusetshenziswa kwama-snacks la endleleni? Siqala nini ukwavula ama-snacks like nathiwa nje singena emotweni manje siyahamba, siqala nini ukuvula ama-snacks uma ngabe sikuba kwi-road trip?
By ama-snacks you mean into esohambe sidla?
Yes.
Well, as soon as we get into the road, it is a road.
As imoto zingena kuyo.
Yeah, it's a snacks, it's not food. Yeah. So if you feel like having a snacks, akhona, then have it. Yeah, it's not like why? As soon as it's ngena, we can have a snacks if you want them.
Kuba ne fight enzima kabi when it comes to indaba zama snacks engiyaqoqela.
Nah, man. Why?
Kuba abanye bathi hayi lawo ma snacks besowadla mhlawumbe nakabe lesikhathi sisabraya lawo ma snacks besowadla ngesikhathi esiwukuthi.
Exactly what I'm saying ukuthi ku depend ukuthi leyo nto ni makuthi ama snacks enifuna ukwadla when you saying a road trip.
Yes,
so ma we road trip niyahamba nizemgaqweni. So you guys are going to be on a road trip to Cape Town. Ngenze example. So you can't say ama-snacks esiwathenge manje awuthi siyowadla mase it's a road trip. It's what you're going to eat masendleleni.
No, but noma ngalinda 30 minutes nyana ke sisukile.
30 minutes.
Siyangena nje emotweni usuvula ama-snacks. Phuma ungadlanga ekhaya.
Okay, does that also apply to if we also bought utshwala? Because it's part of ama-snacks.
Snacks, true.
So do you have to wait 30 minutes before sphuze? No, guys, makuthiwa nje sithenga ama-snacks ukuthi masesihamba sidle. Now asekhona, let's go. Why are we sifuna ukuwagada nama-snacks?
Yibenzima kakhulu ukuthi cause omunye ngathi singena nawo la sibuya kuyowathenga sisalinde mhlawumbe imoto or something ebewavule wadla kusuka impi.
What is wrong with it?
Kusuka impi futhi lapho ukuthi why udla lawo ma-snacks?
Abanje bathanda ukukhulumela ukudla. Vele sizokudla lokudla. It's not like kuzokwabelwana kuthiwe thatha sizokudla nje. If decide ukwavula siphume e-store and just have them siyongena emotweni, there's nothing wrong with it. Khulumela ama-snacks guys, ama-scoopers.
Yazi ukuthi inkinga isuke ibe kuphi. Abantu ama-snacks abawa-treat nje nge-snack. Umuntu agcine nje sefuna ukuthi adle la manje ukuthi uzowaqeda iphakethe manje. So sisinenda ake ngithi nje se-Cape Town.
Yeah.
sesinendawo ende manje uthola ukuthi istop set esilandelayo sikude ama-chips awasekho wena ngoba udecide ukuthatha iphakethe ulidla khona abantu abanjalo avela hlala nephakethe layo next thing olibona seligodwa kind of whatever ngicela bathi ama-snack nje
I think I'm guilty of that.
yabona nje uzothi ufike winterton uhamba no-perfect asekho ama-snacks saye egoli
Yeah, abantu must understand phela ukuthi ama-snacks
I think I'm
we snacking here asidleli ukuthi silambile umuntu usuke endlini edlile so he just here senzela ukuthi singabhoreki have something just there ukhakanye and then you relax for some time akekho uzogada akekho uzogada akekho uzogada ukuthi ukhaka ngakho but now you are responsible kufana noma sidla sonke awazi ukubela kathathu abantu
ama-snack akusawokusuka
noma siyeke nje ama-snacks noma sidla let's say we decide to buy food and sithi no siyadla now iba aware ukuthi nabanye abantu bakhona you can't go back aw 6
ukuthi siba yi-4
yeah you can't go back aw 6 if siwu-4 sithenga amaphisi awu-8 iba conscious ukuthi kusho ukuthi 2
true
uyaphi kwelesithathu iqatha because uyazi siba-4 amaphisi awu-8
khona wazi ukuthi kunabantu abafana nonqo abangayi kakhulu ekudleni avela athi 3 amaphisi
lapho-ke ngiqala khona ukukhulumela ukudla kodwa nje ama-snacksini nani no you must be mindful if yabo nje it doesn't even need ukuthi kuze kuthiwe road trip noma senzani noma siya uma ngabe udla nje nabantu you need to be aware ukuthi udla nabantu fana noma sithenga udrink awazi ukubela if kuyilitha eyodwa siwu3 you know uneglass eyodwa there so why are you unless unqowethi ay guys mangiphuza u-half thatha omunye u-half but mase u3 and we buying a liter of Coca-Cola you have one glass there shaya iglass yakho usuku uphume uhambe it does acting egadwa leyo nto ngeke sisho ukuthi vele sizokuyeka kwakuzothiwani but you must know ukuthi usuphuza idrink yami mina engakaphuzi so ngiyakuzwa lento eshoyo I get you
yimbi I mean yimbi kabi nje inkulu impi yama-snacks la ukuthi adliwane futhi angiphathi kuthiwa nihamba nabantu besifazane ala besithi sisopheka ngawo i-stiff papa lawo ma-smoke beef lawo uyabona nje sekuney'nkinga nje khona nje
khona nje ipapa lama-smoke beef
banokuvuvuzela laphayana bekwenziwe
stiff papa
yes
hey
faka everything
ngaze ngihlangane nawo but it sounds like ngathi ngamnandi you know smoke beef nepapa
ngizoke ngophekela
yeah let's slap
I can cook ngizoke ngophekela
yeah it's okay
usakhuluma indaba ze-road trip perfect yabo nje ngihleli la ngiyacabanga guys ayikho into eseyibuhlungu njengokuthi gibela
yeah it's
angazi noma kuhamba neminyaka noma kuhamba nama-steps osuwahambile ukuthi masusurechela ama-steps fanele ngabe usunemoto yakho manje
I wish bekukhona amagolide la ikho into emkhathaza njengaleyo ukuthi nje ngiyokhomba itekisi njengamanje imhlupha kabo amagolide
akusafanele i-AGCT you need to have
yabo nangendlela nje engihlupha ngayo sengize ngalibeka nasekhaya le ukuthi yabo nje into engiyidingayo manje sekuyimoto okunye nokunye ngiyakubuka kodwa nje imoto kanye ngisafuna mina ukugibela amateksi angisafuna futhi
at least a cab if ungenamoto mina I feel like yabo nje ukugibela taxi if kuyindawo icab ekwazi ukuhamba definitely I'm taking a cab
because calling umuntu afike after 2 hours ufuna ukuhamba and yacabanga ukuthi nje manje ngabe sengikhona lapho
but imoto ayikho nje imali ayikho
yo guys
bona nje akusemnandi
akusekho mnandi abona nje ukuthi uyagula manje uthi
yabo ngikhuluma nge-road trip nje siyasho ukuthi sayithatha ngani should go hike because some people do that you know some people do that when they just hike to Cape Town they decide to hike
true
abaphathi nama-cooler box
yeah with their cooler box
nesikhwama sakhe esikhulu ahike azayofika uthothi iyavakasha nje aphinde abuye futhi ngama-hike
kodwa phela khona ama-truck anespace esiningi uyakwazi ukuthi ubeke
uma ufika la uphethe noma-drinks no-drive truck nayo uyajabula nama-snacks nimnandi
ngizodla nama-snacks
why not but no imoto siyafuneka it's about time imoto siyafuneka ngoba impela kuselula fana nokupintshwa mina ngisakuthanda ukupintshwa omama eTexini but ke sometimes I don't have a choice
why utho mama obaba bampintshana nini
no you know what happens now you'll find out nginokwenza lokho nokubuka mangiseTexini thola ukuthi bawu2 amadoda
true yes
like abantu sebekhulile
nokunothisa ke
bese kuba omama omama bo mhlawumbe siba nezingane ezabafana kodwa nje you'll find that when about 2 amadoda and you can't be like I don't belong here. Oh, mama should be here in peace. Beyikhulumela indaba zabo, you understand? Honestly,
so uyangehlisa ke manje ukuthi angazi ukuthi oh mama abaningi abanazimo.
Now mama, I don't know why you feel pressure to umuntu wesimama, but this mom don't have that pressure. Mhlambe it's just you personal.
Yeah,
but from your society, no one is pressurizing you to have a car. Tina usakwazi nokushayela manje if you don't have a car.
Mina I don't think nginendaba nemoto until kuze kufike isimo sokuthi ngiyo MC akukho kubabhlungu ukuthi bo MC odelegate exini ntambama socela ama hike futhi kona kulabantu abakade ba MCL ilapho ke ngifika khona ipressure
somehow
no
khona lemunye umcimbi esikeza wahamba evikini elidlule abona ukuthi sikhona ntambama ebusuku nisemcimbini kuyenza kube kusesontweni manje liphumile isonto
senzele no abantu bahambile nemoto zabo nimile eduze kweholo
anani shebshino ukuthi la mina rank
kwabe kwasenza nawe nabagolide siphume indoor kwazi wahamba wonke umuntu ngaphakathi sala sobathathu
andikenzela
sebefuna ukuthi kukhiwe manje anazi ngizoshona kumele banimele phela kuze kufike imoto ezonithatha
kona nabuse emcimbini it's wrong kakhulu
akusamele ngazihamba ngenyawo guys it's wrong let's hope unyaka ozazi gonna bring all the blessings
fanele
eza nemoto phakathi so that's wrong nje wrong in every way wrong what I wanted to ask you guys mina is because we're having this conversation ekuseni nomuke ukuthi for Christmas presents let's say you have to buy someone a Christmas present. Does that person have to tell you ukuthi ufunani for a Christmas present or it's up to you umthengelayo ukuthi umthengelayo? Let's say I want to buy you something more for Christmas. Do you have to tell me ukuthi mina ngifuna lokho or it's up to me ukuthi yini ngithenga?
Mina nje ngaphandle ukuthi iChristmas or what kodwa nje ngoba ukhuluma ngeChristmas i-present guys i-gifts
It's example Christmas. I'm just saying because we're heading to Christmas.
Like i-gift eqhamuka kuwo oyibone ingifanele. Mangabe sengizothi mina ngithengele i-iPhone akusesi gift.
I gonna gift is a gift. Ukuthi ke na wena idingo zakho
What if you buy me something ngayithanda? What if you decide because when you think ngizoyithanda and then you go and buy me a t-shirt and angiyithanda?
It's up to you.
Wouldn't it be better if you asked me ukuthi ngifuna ukuthengela igift? What would you like?
Mina ukuthi ngoba into umuntu ngathi ngizenjani ngiyangiculisa ukuthi ngithi mangikuthengele into ngibona indlela ozosurprise ngayo indlela yabo ngaleso sikhathi
But if I don't like it.
Angeke usurprise kwazi kahle ukuthi kuphathele i-t-shirt.
But what if I don't like it? What if umthengela
uzobona ukuthi
what if umthengele into engayithandi? That's why I'm saying ukuthi wouldn't it be better ukuthi ngifuna ukuthengela igift yazi yini ongayithandi ukuthi
Bathi ngikuphoqele ukuthi yabo njengoba sengikunikele kufana nokuthi ngiyakupha ngithi ungayithengisa uma uyithengisa uphinde sesitolo uthathe okufunayo.
Yeah, but you all know it doesn't work that way. Mase ungithengela igift you want me ungibona ngigqokile want me ngibona ngisebenza leyo because you bought me a gift.
But igift akusikhona nje ukuthi ungitshela ukuthi
so you rather go and buy something that you think ngizoyithanda.
Nanokuthi angithi guys enye into engiyaye ngiba angazi phela noma mhlawumbe na you go around ngithengela abantu like random people bathengela ama gift. Thengela abantu esibaziyo.
Yeah.
Like ngiyakwazi yabo mabe ngikwazi mina ngiyazi perfect ukuthi yini
ngikwazi enough to buy you a gift.
Angivele ngihambe ngithengele nje wonke umuntu engisanda ukumazi ngiyazi ukuthi yini oyithandayo ngiyazi iziphi izinto ezithandwa perfect so ngiyazi mangabe ngithenga ngihambele ngalapho ngoba lezi izinto akayithandayo.
Nanokuthi abantu when you close to them they give you hints somehow this is what ayithandayo or mhlawumbe that's what I mina
kunalezo zinto ezimbili ezintathu esithi noma sihleli lokho
lo igama ukuthi uyakuthanda lo uyakuthanda
yikho kubalekile ukuthi umuntu ofuna ukugift
njengo perfect ujeqe nje
umshaye
be the best gift ever for Christmas umthengele flower yeah that's it
but nesakuya ama gift guys emthini ngala umuntu umnikeza igift khona lento asebekwenza msuthola ukuthi ke na I buy you gift ngikunikeze neslip salapho neprize engingayisusi is it still a gift lokho noma sikhamba ngomunye umzila manje cause angithi lento ngiyithenge ngoba kuthandela yona so nase ngikunikeza neslip sayo neprize yayo ngingasayisusi ngisuke ngiexpect ukuthi nawe mhlambe nasungithengele igift ngelinye ilanga udlalele kulezo number lezo mhlambe nangabe kuka 300 rand nawe ngelinye ilanga uyodlalela ko 300 nawe ngithengele igift
noma so they leave I price tag ikhona bakunike
neslip yes
mina ngiyakwenza mina lokho kodwa ngisuke nginama reasons kwesinye isikhathi angikwazi usize wakho mhlawumbe ngithengile into yokugqoka ngiyithenge esitolo esikhona la yabo
you can go and exchange
ngenzela ukuthi mangabe ukuthi not ukuthi ungayithandi
mangayithandi ngahamba ngiyoyishintsha
no makwenzekile usize kwangabi loyo kungakunene mhlawumbe kube kukhulu noma kube kuncane uzokwazi ukuthi uphindele esitolo uhambe uyothenga okulinganayo
you know I get you mina I'd rather buy you something you need than something you like because into oyithandayo you might not like it tomorrow
njengoba nakushadwa nje omakoti esikhathi esiningi bavamise ukukhipha ilist ukuthi kuwena sibani manje uthenga la microwave
bese kuba ukuthi uma ngabe ngikwazi I will know what you need like let's say uyangazi you know mhlawumbe I need another camera uyazi ukuthi ngiyayidinga this thing and if you buy it for me that will be special to me because I need it uyazi ukuthi ngiyawathanda ama sneaker ahlaza what if nakusasa sengivuka sengithanda yellow and when msabambela wahlaza that's why I'm saying I'll at least buy you something that you need that I know ukuthi this somehow will have it somehow uyayidinga not that you uyayifunda or uyayithanda uyayidinga something that you need let's say you need a blender let's say you need a blender mhlawumbe ufuna ukwenza ama smooth yeah it's something ohlezi uyithi ish ngiyayidinga you understand something that I can buy you because uyayidinga and you can't say ayangithanda le blender it's a blender
nawuzokhumbula kahle I think kwakuyi radio show yakho futhi la usisi ayikade ecomplaina khona ethi ke na une boyfriend manje boyfriend bemvakashela eflatini lakhe yasimthengela endlini yakhe kana wardrobe yasimthengela wardrobe as a birthday gift and ugelwa engekho happy ngaleyo gift leyo ukuthi kushuthi ubona ukuthi ngiyahlupheka mina ngiafford lokho zale wardrobe or something
sometimes you don't need to that's what happens awunayo wardrobe umuntu ukuthengele wardrobe you like ubona ukuthi ngiyahlupheka vele awuna take the wardrobe vele uyahlupheka thathi wardrobe
but what if usongithengele wardrobe bese sengina ama-means ngizofaka eboxini andikuphela inyaka into ebengiyithanda kakhulu
bayathandana ngithi boyfriend thathi wardrobe
into ebengiyithanda kakhulu
uyahlupheka awunawo
no into ebengingayithokozela ngaleso sikhathi iskate sase
uzosibekaphi
uzosiqoka
mase usikhumula usibekile
eboxini ngithi ngisho ngithi
eboxini
ngizama means ukuthi ngifake ibhokisi
eboxini
ngizopakisha into zami
yisithutha ngempela ubona ukuthi ngiyaphela ukuthengela wardrobe ufuna iskate
what if ngifuna ibhege eliwela ngaleso sikhathi
thathi wardrobe
no ibhega ngingena
mina ke ngamthengela kodwa ngoba ngiyambona uyayidinga lo mfolo wayembona ukuthi uyayidinga manje ngoba uthandana nesithutha asiboni sona ukuthi siyayidinga le wardrobe sibona isidinga iskate
sifuna LV so
no ngifuna iskate esima print sasefoshini
no
njema
fridge
nayo ifridge like
happy birthday fridge
kulungile ngithemba ukuthi niyaphila ke kuye 150 Express this is the everyday people's show igama lami ngoPerfect wakamlotsha umsuthu wakazungu noNqobile wakabhengu please don't forget to like subscribe ujoin membership and comment abakwethu nishare khona sokhula kakhulu sharele nabanye nje khona sokhula kakhulu nje sikulethele konke ofisa ukuthi sikulethele kona guys kule weekend esibuya kuyona kuthathwe loyo o lisasebenza lamsolo kuyena noma sesaphela isigwebo sakhe elomsolo liphela nilisebenza nini liqala nini indaba kaWalusi igama lethi umuntu uwumsolo
Umsolo until utholakala ukuthi
Sezumsolo.
Osewumbulali. Owabulala uChris Zani laphana ke ubekade waphuma ejele ngeparole ngo2022 kodwa qhubeka wahlala la eSouth Africa up until last week Friday lapho ke abese buyiselwa ke uHome Affairs kwela kubo ngokusemthethweni ngoba bathi bengasenayo imvume yokuhlala la eSouth Africa. So iSACP ithi lokhu akusiza umndeni wakaHani ngoba lo muntu uhamba nemfihlo ukuthi kahle wayethunywa ubani neANC ngokunjalo futhi nayo ayikho happy ngokuthi ke na abuyiselwe kala kubo kuningi nje ukushayisana kwembono ngodaba luka Walusi. Ngifisa ukwazi ukuthi uthini umbono yenu ngendaba lakhe uWalusi
Uyanus. Sizothini bafethu? This a guy spent more than 30 years in jail and didn't say anything. Why do you think ukuthi sesingamenza khuluma manje after 30 years in jail?
No, ngazalana. No, mina yazi ukuthi into yami ukuthi kuphi. Isekutheni bemnika iparole kwakufanele at least bethi sizokunika asinankinga ukunika iparole. Kodwa sicela ukuthi ubani ayithumile ukuthi ubulala ukani.
The thing is, ngola kule case. Lo mfo akekho akazi asho ukuthi khona wayemthumile. That's another thing abanye abantu abangayibheki. Akazi asho wabanjwa ukuthi yena wadubula uChris Hani. Yena. There's no proof, there's nothing that says somebody wayemthumile. We just assume ukuthi because wayeyinkabi wayethunywa somebody. But yena nobufakazi akukho la ukuthi khona wayethunywa umuntu.
But ayikho inkabi engasuka ePoland out of the blue nje ithi ngisawudubula uChris.
Yeah, but you need to prove that. Yeah. So if you can't prove that in court, with this guy akayisukela ngale wasuswa umuntu uzobulala umuntu la, then uyayishola nje.
Akashoke ke ukuthi
So siyayimenza. I-bottom line is siyayishola nje ukuthi khona wayemthumile. Because there is no proof of that.
Mayingathunywanga ke yinenze ukuthi uzobulala uHani. Usukele kwala kini uzona. Ake uchaze nje.
That's the thing ukuthi mhlambe lokho kumhlambe seningamzama ukuthi achaze kodwa I don't think ukuthi una khona umthetho omphoqayo ukuthi akusho ukuthi why. Sengivumile ukuthi mina ngambulala, it ends there. If ungafuni ukusho angifuni ukusho ukuthi why, but it's me ngambulala ngibopheni.
Mina uyamayethi nje imina engafuni ukusho ama reasons noma kungaveli ukuthi ubani bengeke ngimnike iparole.
And
Well, umthetho doesn't work with you.
futhi khumbula ukuthi lo daba bese cishe bese kuphela isikhathi esingango 5 years 6 years bezama nje iSACP nezinye nje inhlaka ehlukene ukuyivimba lento yeparole naye applyela then kwazi wanquma ecourt ngo2022 ukuthi hayi use
Guys, umuntu wayegwetshwe ulife in prison, ne? Wonke umuntu after 25 years ogwetshwe life in prison use eligible to apply for parole. Ayikho into special ngoYanus. uYanus uthola iparole nawo ngayithola after 25 years of isikhathi ospend ejele. Usunga apply iparole if ugwetshwe ulife. So ayikuthi
special ngoYanus ukuthi wabulala iqhawe lethu. Labanye basuke bubulala abantu.
Yeah, but njoba ngisho ukuthi angingabe ngathi ukhishiwe because of that. Ukhishwe because umthetho wase South Africa ovumela nombani ukuthi after 25 years mawuthola ulife you can actually apply for parole. Check-weke zonke izinto ezicheckwayo iphethe kanjani in all these things. Wathola ke leyo parole. Listen, ayikho indlela special enzelwe ngayo.
Nawo leyo mthetho kumele apply to aba South African citizens. Kumele bewuyekeze.
South Africa belongs to everyone who lives in it.
No,
your heroes said that.
Yena wayenga live in it. Wasuka le wangaliva wadubula.
As soon as elenda la umuntu usephila la. As soon as efika. So South Africa belongs to him.
Oh, that is why bembuyisele emuva ngoba bethi ke na akana citizenship noma akana imvume yokuhlala la elokhuzini. Eyokuthi abela eSouth Africa. So umthetho so njalo ukuthi ngoba akanayo imvume futhi akanayo.
Yeah, the thing is guys, the thing is personal vele kuthina ukuthi wabulala uChris Hani, and we feel like kukhona abantu ababemthumile abanye baze babasho amagama yabo sinaleyo nto but umthetho akaza asho ngangeza ubani wathi khona ababengithumile kodwa ngeke ngibasho akaza ayisho lonto because ukuba washo kanjalo umthetho osengaphanisha ungibekela inye icala lokufihla information but yena wavuma wathi yimina ngamdubula
kodwa ngaphandle kokuthini wamdubula ethunyiwe ukuthi ubani ukuthi mina ngisho njalo waye ngekasuka kwela kubo njani nami le South Africa
akekho futhi ophikayo nathi siyazi wayengekasuka azodubula umuntu but umthetho uthini
wahluleka ukuprove
khona ayemthumile so akulona icala lakhe icala lakhe umdubula akulona icala lakhe kodwa ukuthi umthetho wa South Africa failed to show ukuthi khona omunye umuntu actually because obviously kwakhona ama calls ayenziwa lapho umthetho would have tapped in that wakhona imihlangano baba nawo nalaba ihlangane nabo whatever laba hlangana nawo kwafihlwa ngaleyo ndlela wafihlwa ngapha umthetho kumele in 30 years failed umthetho to prove ukuthi this guy actually had a connection with someone
allegedly kuthiwa khona waye obelokho emholela 40,000 ngenyanga ihambe yomvakashela futhi
yes allegedly
and abantu ku social media bakhala nangendlela aphathiswe ngayo ukusuka la esuka khona eseye airport be VIP enzima kabi isicukuthwane nje sinzima kabi intatheli zithi ziyazama ukumthola hanjiswe ngo back door zonke lezi zinto lezo
yeah that's dodgy because kodwa phela makuthiwa umuntu gazi wenzweni ngithi wenzweni akayihambelanga udeportiwe umuntu mayideport uyathathwa ayobekwe airport la kumele ahambe kuya
but ngandlela yazi ngale VIP le blue lights everything
no I think it wasn't VIP, it was for protection ukuthi protect because kunabantu abafila njengonqo like this who might wanna kill lokho mayilana ke phansi ku South Africa ungaphansi ukuthi ufuna protect now you have every right to be protected in that way so it's not VIP, it was protection
yabona le protection leyiyala because abo magudumane balandwa kodwa baprotectwa ngalendlela ama camera yela abantu babekwazi
beba interviewer boyena kodwa didn't party baveza ubuso babo yena wacashiswa wazongeniswa ngo back door zonke lezi zinto lezi
guys you need to understand the level of danger unqoka kabulali umuntu kodwa uyambona ufila kanjani akaza bulale umuntu lo there are people abamzondalo baba because wabulala uChris Hani they can bangambulala so you guys you mean bekumele ayekwe abulawe
there are people abamzondayo umyeni ka Dr Nandi
but how dangerous are those people how dangerous are they imagine how dangerous abantu abazonda uyani uSwalusi because wabulala uChris Hani they are hero abanye amasotsha remember uChris Hani was a soldier guys this is another thing. This is another thing.
As a protector kanjena
now bengaprotect.
It was too much. Hayi. Umuntu angaphandle lo owabulala iqhawe la eSouth Africa.
Yeah, but usephuma ejele ngithi usegwetshiwe.
Yes.
Yeah, so awusenaqala basically.
Hayi.
Ngibona isikhwama siphatha leso sikhwama mhlawumbe singangondla impilo yami yonke. Ngathi siyabiza leso sikhwama desperately.
Yeah, phela it's not cheap guys to kill someone like Chris Hani.
Hayi ngeke.
It's not a cheap thing. What if imali yakhe bekhathe ithola now
and ngiyacabanga
ayeqhashwe ngathi ukill uChris Hani
in my mind yophila impilo emnandi
obvious
seyonathezeka uzohlala nomndeni wakhe for nje
isikhathi
simnandi ethebelekile yena
kodwa nokunyamalala ekhaya 30 years old
yabona if nina nama South Africans you really wanted to kill this guy bekumele nimbulale sesejele because that was the easiest way nizama umbulala njobela usephumile phela wahlala 2 years
la South Africa so ukuthi bekulula ngicabanga ukuthi nakhona
easy ejele
mhlawumbe beprotective
nakhona
but still it's the easiest place where you can be killed ejele ungafakela ushefu you can there's a lot of things engenzeka ejele for 30 years
angeke kukhona abantu abanemali abafanda ukuthi lo muntu akungaveli ngisho into
yazini ngithi kulula it's because uyazi ukuthi mawumfuna uzomthola it's very easy to kill someone ejele noma ngaprotectwa kanjani uyazi ukuthi ulapha kuleyana
uzongena kanjani
for 30 years you find a way you find a way
hayi
if you wanted to kill uChris Hani empela lo 2 years ka uhlale ngaphandle because ehlale 2 years phela ephumele ejele la eSouth Africa emva kwalokho esephumile akekho bekhuluma ngaye up until now
ubehleli kuphi
sekuthiwa uyahamba
What if ubehleli
Sengikhathi
endlini
ngifuna ukumshutha
esikhulu
but still uyafa nomhleli endlini esikhulu kanti endlini esikhulu sezulu
baprotectiwe labo bantu labo
nabo uzothelebranch nje bafa uthelebranch bafa behleli beprotectiwe babulawa abafana babehleli na it happens if ukuthi thina abantu base-South Africa guys siyathanda ukwenza ngathi sine-anger sicasukile ku-social media kodwa mase kuthiwa hayi asenzeni izinto asenzeki naku bekhuluma indaba ye-shutdown national shutdown bekuthiwa izoba namhlanje iphi
ngabe beshadana
iphi bekhuluma indaba ye-national shutdown phela emva uRamaphosa ethe is actually allowing for Nigerians to apply for visa without passport in South Africa and also allowing
but what the fuck yini le
product yabo you are angry but you're not going to do anything
I'm not angry ukuthi ngeke ngenza lutho mina kayize ngalenza utho
yenza let's see
inkingi ngithi bazongibopha
let's see
bazongibopha phela bazongibopha manje indlela engikwazi ukuthi ngilwe ngayo ukuvoice
njoba ngisho ukuthi yiso nalesi ke esikayana uSwalusi ukuthi we're all angry ngesikhathi ekhishwe ejele but wakuphuma wahlala for 2 years eSouth Africa kwathula tu ngathi akekho mase hamba futhi hayi uhambelana but the guy has been here for 2 years and you guys didn't do anything even bona these same politicians the same ANC the same people personally kubona ukufaka Khrizani didn't do anything for 2 years they have power but mase hamba ofile Mbalula hayi this is not. But guys, the guy has been here for 2 years. If you wanted to shoot this guy and kill this guy, you would have done it. Namandla, you have power to do all these things. So don't act as if you guys are now set. So the guy's been out for 2 years and no one did anything.
For the rest of our lives.
National shutdown. Last week, hashtag. National shutdown the whole week to a Monday namhlanje it's a Monday today iphi shutdown
bakiphumelelo phela bathi ozoke aqali
South Africa kinjalo ku social media
inkinga nje make waqala msusu ungakuqala ungene emgwaqeni uyejele
kuzoya lese se July unrest ka
uzoyejele futhi kungeke kube
so why are we complaining again? If you're not going to do anything.
We are not happy.
Why complaining?
Masingekho happy so complain.
Does it change anything?
Akushintshi lutho
kodwa. So why are you doing it?
Ukungashintshi kwakho akusho ukuthi asikuboni ukuthi
that's the thing. Ngicabanga ukuthi nizobo intsha ka 1976 they had a problem they decided to do something
together.
Yebo. So thina sihlulwa yini to do that?
Nina nithi bathi bemasha le nibhizi namakhamera phezulu. Baveza.
But now you are confirming what I'm saying. So why are you agreeing with me? You are confirming le nto ngisho.
Baveza lapha.
Intsha ka 1976 had a problem. Azange ihambe ibhala emabondeni because there were no Facebook then or Twitter. Ukuthi sinenkinga. They decided to do something. Thina sihlulwa yini guys to actually stand up and say we don't like this shit. If usiboshwa because that's what happened to them.
Yes. I think it's in Mozambique nakhona basukumile abantu bakhona
abekho happy
ngalokho bagcwala umgwaqo.
Silinde ukuthi kube khona othi akuvala utshwala bese siyasuka because that's what we care about. Okunye ingane ziyafa left right and center don't say akho protest akho lutho but kusasa nje mayingavuka upresident ethi utshwala siyakuvala you will see.
True. That's our South Africans for you.
You will see. You will see. Wabona ngelockdown kwenzakalani.
Babegqekeza itawulo utshwala kuphela.
It wasn't because of blah blah blah. They just wanted to drink.
Babengayigqekezi impela lezi Shoprite nobani. Babedula namaklikwa.
Thina sikho angry. We just acting. I also get Twitter and read and we have YouTube and watch this thing esikhuluma. You will feel like hey labantu ba angry. No. Yabona masi angry. Ngeke sibhala ku tweet. Beka ukwenzakalani unrest. People were angry.
True.
Akekho wayelokho ebhala, akekho futhi wathi akwenziweni. Everyone was just ngiyashisa le store because people were angry. Asikho angry enough guys. Asikho.
Thina siphilele manje kusasa kungafani nalokho kade sicabanga namhlanje sesicabanga ngokusasa nokwezinye insuku.
Iphi national shutdown. Ramaphosa they are saying they are allowing the same Nigerians
abasinikeza statement sakhe sokuthi ngithela.
The same Nigerians uthi bona bezela without passports without anything. they must come in here. But we have a problem, yama foreigners.
Nigerians stand ukuthola omachidimi ukuthi benzani.
Exactly, but they are allowed. They must bring their products now to come here in South Africa.
What products? Imagine ama-products akhuluma ngawo.
No, let me tell you. There is a lady. Let me actually play you this thing. There's a lady who actually explained this on TikTok. Gosh, guys. I don't know whether, because you guys are not gonna see Zozambundlalela here. I don't know if I save this thing or not.
Ama-products obanabo.
Wait, ukuza kula ama-products ase Nigeria. Ukuthi it's actually not Nigerian products. Apparently, indodana ka Johan Rupert, uJonathan Rupert, bought a company eyenza tin stuff in Nigeria, ne? So your beans, your fishes, whatever, bought that company in Nigeria. So isebenza in Nigeria, that company. So this allowing of Nigerian products to our shelves. It's not for Nigerian products.
That company.
It's for the Ruperts to actually import easily the things that they are manufacturing. The thing I don't know. I can't. My network.
So it's not for.
But I'm gonna
benefits.
put it here when we're editing.
So for it benefits.
No.
Benefits yabo.
No, it benefits yabo. So ayikho indlela bebezoyisho ngayo. So this is the only way, so that they can actually import lawo products from there to here. So our Nigerians are happy thinking it's for them, and not we are like, no, you can't bring. No, both of us have nothing to do with this.
It's for
Exactly.
Yeah.
You can't tell me ukuthi kuzobalula ukuthi ama products ase Nigeria to come here angene kuma shelves while we our products is very hard ukuthi angene ko Spar.
Yokunzima kanjani kunabantu abakhiqiza izinto zabo esekungcono because sekakwazi
social media
uzipromothele wena.
Exactly.
But kuyifaka nje kwi market kunzima ngalendlela.
So it's not about us. It's not about Nigerians futhi. It's about whatever they wanna do bona.
To bring into zabo.
Bring into zabo here.
So there are benefits, not thina.
Ngathi akungcono sesizophatha usomabhizinisi manje oyi-understandayo le nto kunjani nakunje ushame
Usomabhizinisi for yena nomndeni wakhe nabantu.
Cabangela i-profit nje.
Asikho angry enough. Asikho angry enough.
Speaking
Kodwa
of
mina ngaba angry mangangithola ongaba angry njengami. Ngawenza umehluko mangathola umuntu angry njenganami.
They work so hard, these guys who's divided. That's the thing. There is no one that you're going to find those who are angry njengawo, because we're already divided.
True.
So by us, we are divided. Bengakhona about 10 who are angry as you, but in 90 is not. The time in Valumgwaqo, thina abanye bethu be like, "Yini sifunge emsebenzini." Yabo? Somehow.
Yazi ukuthi ungicabangisa enye into. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi sike sakhuluma ku episode edlule sikhuluma ngendaba kaGogo ade simvashele eWinene ne. Enye into engivukelayo manje njengoba ukhuluma kanjalo. Sikhuluma ngabantu abahambile. Bona siqu sabo bathembisa uGogo babonakala. Kodwa mase sekuvela ukuthi uGogo wathenjiswa yilabantu kanje. Sekukhona abantu ababavikelayo laba.
Division.
Guys, why manje ukuthi ekusikhundleni ngabe uyasebenza wena umsebenzi wakho kufanele kube khona umuntu ozoma
akuwe because obviously and Gogo wathenjiswa, there is proof, there are photos, there are screenshots, there are videos. So yini koyiphikisayo uthini yini oyichazayo
bathi abantu bayathanda ukwenzani hayibo mina guys anginazi mezocabanga nje like inhluphe komunye umuntu nje anisakwazi ukuthi niyithwale
naye
bekufanele ngabe ngempela baye kuye umuntu lo kufanele enze lezi zinto noma abantu laba ukuthi no guys anikwazi ukuthi ningenza kanje especially njengoba niyabaholi kunalokho bona bayababhincisela bayathi hayi abantu bayathanda ukwenzelwa lo muntu akagugile ngithi imihla namalanga sihlezi sibona abantu abakhelwe imizi kusuka bakhelwa ngoba benjani bona lo because umholi wenu nimthanda weqembu leni sokufanele ukuthi nimvikele
i-division eke la ihamba khona
they managed to divide us ukuthi siphikisana ngento nje ngeke ubona ukuthi akumele ngabe siyayakhwisha le straight
iqiniso
kodwa kube khona abantu will just come from a side and just be like that
yiko ke bezohamba ngoba noYanus phindele emuva njoba sinje.
Speaking ngezamajele usegcine egotshiwe umfowethu noma umfana lapha yana ke nawuzokhumbula nambukeli isigameko Yazi usothi vela ngidiscourage ngaqeda.
Yeah,
Ngaqeda amandla nje. Ngabe ngisazi noma ngiqhubeke noma ngiqhubeke.
Yeah. Qhubeka.
Nawuzokhumbula.
Umlisa ne.
Okay.
Yeah, you can say Mlisa. I think Mlisa is better. Mfowethu nangumfana is I think.
Okay. Kunesigameko esenzeka eBergville eBethane enyangeni ezimbalwa ezendlule la kukhona wesilisa owagwaza wabulala amalungu omndeni amaningi ethe almost 5 or 6 usegcine egotshiweke inkanto ugotshwe nini ngo
Story ngisibone isithola izolo leso angazi usugotsheni.
Gotshwe Friday.
Yeah.
So ugejeke iminyaka ke impela ke ejayibe mnengana ukuthi ngithe ngisasifunda isitori sakhona ngaba nenkinga but nje usegwetshiweke
Life sentence about 5. So njalo.
Yeah.
Okay. Njengoba uchaza ukuthi 25 years and then sebet 125.
Oh yes, ngisathi ngiboneka 125 impela nami ka life sentence bisingithusa
ama life sentences awu 5. And then
bakhanda ngokuthi
25 years.
25 azohlala ku 5 years, 25 kwase kuba 100.
So uzoba eligible for a parole after 125 years.
Yes.
But we deserve it.
But 125
it's done. It's gone.
Akukho nje uyofela khona
nje.
It's
definitely gone.
Kodwa
which is good.
Ngikujabulela ukuthi kusheshe kanje. Enhlizweni yami kube ukuthi why amanye amacala ngashishi kanjini.
No, angithi I think it's because uvumile. ukuthi yeah I did it. Yashesha if umuntu evuma it's fine so yini sisazo ikhulumbi
khona bonke nobufakazi
yeah ufakazi nobunye abusabaleki if kufa umuntu manje then when you come and say I killed this person so it doesn't matter so wena umbulele mhlawumbe ukuthi siyasola kumhlamba umbulala mhlawumbe khona umkhavelayo then you can continue spend but when you are going because uvumile you accepted
okunjani lokuthiwa ukuvuma kwakho kuyasolisa mhlambe awukho mentally health awuthi sikhambise kuma facilities azokucheck ukuthi ngempela uvuma ngoba uvuma noma kwenzakalana
yeah kusekhona ukusolisayo mentally mangekho ukusolisayo mentally there is no need for your check
because yakhumbula ukuthi postpone akukhulunywa ngendaba ze medication tonton yakhe ngicabanga bathola lapho ukuthi hayi ngoba
alright
even nayo uyasho ukuthi before lo suku lolo wayehambile yophuza and then sesola ukuthi ngathi khona bamspike udrink wakhe there mayophuza eshibhini wabuya ngakusasa kwaba nengxabano thizeni kanti vele ke behleze ethi umama uyamthakatha
yeah and the thing is engicabanga ukuthi ezinye izinto noma engasho lokho ukuthi wayespike but there are other ezinye igameke ekhona before kuze kufike lesesikhulu ekhona ezimbonisa ukuthi ucapable of doing so njengoba usho ukuthi wayilocation mawakho yamthakatha those things abenodlame yeah so he was already a violent person so to say someone spiked to drink wakhe well that doesn't justify anything because you've said it before ukuthi ngizokubulala wena you understand maybe someone spiked igasazi but you've said it not once not twice you've said it so many times so masumbulala lo muntu you can't come back and say someone ufakele you can't
akusiyona futhi leyo nto ngathi ikholele ekutheni yokwenza isigameko sa next day
even if lokho kwenzekile you still kill those people
usobuyelela
ubabuyalile
njina sebuyela engqondweni kuthini
and angikhumbuli minister kamizwe senza ukuthi uhambe ubulala abantu
mo special abakini nje kufika nini nje lapho ama siblings wakho nabazali bakho
asike sidakamizo senza lo uma ubulala abantu ngenxa yedakamizo is because uyababulala because you wanna get money or something from them to buy idakamizo awumbulali ngoba you are high on something umbulala ngoba mhlawumbe ufuna ifoni yakhe so lezothola ifoni yakhe uzodayisa it's not like
uzombulala uso
it's not like uzovela ubhema ama drugs bezodlanta ugijima ubulala abantu no ngifile ngathi ngidinga lama drugs and ayikho indlela engayithola ngayo unless ngikubulala you understand yeah so ama drugs vele phela ayakunikeza emotive yokubulala umuntu but I don't think khona ama drugs okwenza ukuthi uhlanye uhamba udubula abantu no I doubt
Kodwa ke nje uright impela usehlele endaweni emfanele.
It's good.
I wonder kwenzakalani ngalo owabulala ugogo ngepiki ke yena ePotchini. I wonder udaba lakhe likuphi so ke sililandele kodwa silibuke ngoba nje ezinye zezigameko nje ezenziwa abantu abasha abasebancane o1920 uma ngalukuthi konakele picture nini sifike nini la esesikhona manje because uno 1920 into eyicabangayo nje isikole ngicabanga ukuthi ngifuna ukuba yiphoyisa kusasa ngicabanga ukuthi ngifuna ukuba umsakazi kusasa
1920
like ubhizi ngalezo zinto lezo nje ukuthi
usho ukuthi 19 noma 20 not ozalwe ngo19.
Oh
Yabona ukuthi hayi ukuthi yimi ngisuke ngihlekela ubani. Sometimes ushinto and uyisho somehow ngendlela ukuthi iyadida. Yabona ngo 1920 omunye umfana ka 1920 like kusho uzalwe ngo 1920. So bese ngiyakustopha there so that will correct that because yabona ungqondo ukuyekile wathi 1920 omunye will take ukuthi mfana ka 1920 umfana onjani and that's it. And that's it. So it's very important ukuthi akucace ukuthi mina ngiyakuzwa mawuthi ngiyakuzwa ukuthi 1920 ushuthi urefer kumuntu ona 19 to 20. But to someone else might mean something. Yiko ngithula ngathi ngakumisa ngoba ayi usuzobona ngathi ngikumisa ngamabuku. Ani ngisuka ngifuna ukucacisa leyo nto leyo.
Kukhona enye engake ngayizwa khona lapha kule ndaba zasePotchini. Apparently akusona isigameko sokuqala senza lapha uSepiki. Kukhona umunye wakwabulala omunye umfana benza ugrade 12 or 11 wasendaweni. Kwathi wagcina ekutheni uphume ngebheyili.
Oh yes ngiyasikhumbula.
But abafana abazwayo bayasho futhi ukuthi ukwenzile. Bese ngiyazibuza ukuthi ngoba
wakwenza phambi kwengane zesikole.
Ngoba ukwenziwe wabonakala inenza ukuthi azanikwe ibheyili indaba yena engagwetshwa. Uphumile futhi okungenza futhi agcine engaboshwa. Ngoba izinto ezinjalo zipossible. Ukhona emakhaya ngeke ngezwe nje ukuthi uke wahilizisana nabanye futhi okungenza yaphinda esinye isidumbu. So ezinye izinto ezenzakalayo kusho ukuthi kuyananga enhlanhla la.
Ezinye izinto futhi ziba nanemithi futhi phakathi ngeke kubalekele lo ukuthi nje ubabakho strong kanganani when it comes to imithi zonke lezo zinto lezo. Uyodela mzuku ekwenze ekhaya ke. Umntana msengimvikele kangaka angisho ukuthi ubabakhe ecela ngizwe kahle wakithi kodwa nje ukuthi umntana msengimvikele kangaka because khona nesinye isigameko nje sasangakithi umama belokhele evikela umntana wakhe busy egeca abantu ngobhushi namhlanje umama sihamba phezulu kwakhe uncwatshiwe egeca the very same mntwana bemvikela so nje kuba buhlungu nasekwenzeka ekhaya uthola ukuthi umuntu bemvikela ngaphandle njalo so nje izimo nje sibhekene nazo.
Kumansima kodwa cha uthola bekufuna ke lona ngiyakathi uyohlala kancane lapha ejele yathi ukukhula.
I must stay there.
Wathi ukushona kancane khona lapha ngoba
uyofica waboke lapha.
Kuzoba nesifundo futhi kubantu abaningi. Yabo?
Okay.
Sakhulunywa ngabantu ababoshwayo guys. Ngibona udaba lapha ngithe hala mza ngibona kahle but uJay-Z usolwa ngokulala nengane encane ngathi naye ubikwa nje abantu abangenza imkhalele nje. Ngekudala.
Bathi nyaka wamaqiniso 2024.
So guys mina angithathe ngutho kulabantu abanemali, labantu abadumile esibathandayo esibalandelayo Hollywood what labo bantu banento eziningi abazenzayo and ezikushaqqisayo ukuthi
apparently Jay-Z is worse than P Diddy. That's what they say about Mazi. But what we hear in P Diddy is just nothing.
But uJay-Z uzenzela phela lezi zinto lezi.
Must know
power imali
is even worse. Because to ana le ntobazana le 13 okay why not 13 ngoye 2000 that game. Uthi they were bamenza kanjena nje babu babili no P Diddy. So it's not like what Jay-Z yet they were both of them P Diddy.
So balala naye boyithu.
Yeah, sort of somehow.
18 years.
Yeah.
Ngoba umntana wakhe ke ena 13 njengamanje uJay-Z uyakathi nje mayembuka nje uthi
so it's dangerous. Kuba nemali eningi is very dangerous.
Manje mina ngifisa ukwazi ukuthi bezibelala naye nje umuntu owayene talent efuna ukuthi angene kwi-industry noma kwenzakalani ngaye na 13.
Nah. Do you think Jay-Z they need you to It's Jay-Z.
Utholakala phi?
It's Jay-Z.
But then uthola
okay, let me make you an example. I'm not insinuating anything about Khuzani no No, let's say you are 13 years old and uyabizwa kuthiwa uyakubizwa umthandeni. You are 13 years old. You are crazy. Yeah. Like umuntu ombuka njengestar then calls you and whatever happens. It's more like that. It's not like mhlambe khona ayithenjiswe kona. Maybe mhlambe we don't know.
No,
but I don't think ukuthi ingane na 13 if tuyibizwa uJay-Z elandela uJay-Z nganqaba to.
I get you.
Yeah. So it was more like that, I think so.
No, nanokuthi phela mncane kakhulu. 13 years. Fuze nabazali bebe there.
Manje siyazazi ingane zethu ngo asibeni honest nje siyazazi.
13 years perfect.
Nakhona abantu abaseyitedium nje kuziyadoja umntaka siswami nje I think he is 13 14 phela lapho ka
nakho nesikhuluma manje 2000
and in America,
yes,
not in South Africa.
Not in South Africa, America. La kade
no, let me make you an example. Aliyah, when she met R. Kelly no Jay-Z, she was around that age.
Angitsikho ngibuza ukuthi usemculweni in Aliyah.
Yeah, but you can't tell me ukuthi ingane na 13 years will always have umzali behind you.
It's impossible.
Mangabe ingane zithi ayikuzu Jay-Z lapha hall sicela ukuyakhona. You just say go. Hamba nabangani bayo. It's not
so
like
bamthola kanjani? Bamthola nje bayathola nje ingane sidididi.
Aswazi ama details akho.
It might happen ukuthi ingane yayindlula esemotweni not ukuthi
aswazi ama details akho. Effect ukuthi
it might happen.
Iqiniso esilitholayo ukuthi bala nayo ingane na 13 kusho yona.
Ukuthi
we don't know how.
Egamekweni eyiningi kanje sokuyingane esoyifuna ingena kwi-industry like so ukuthi yazi unetalente and uyahamba lapha nje uthi nabazali comfortable ngoba laba bathembisa ukuthi bazokufaka there.
Njoba ngikwenzele example if una 13 uyi teenager 13 14 years they are artists that you are crazy about. The artists that one might be that ngene emotweni because you are 13 ufisana nomngane wakho no
wenza grade 8
and this is kind wenza grade 8 you just going crazy you thinking kuyophuzwa or you just going to have some fun. It happens and intombazana na 13 indala kabi intombazana na 13 angisho ukuthi ngiminyaka
nanokuthi guys ke phela abantu ababhigi laba angeke uvele kusondele nombani iwing zeingane ezincane laba sobe khona bangeni noma engabe kuphi. That is why ngibuza ukuthi umntwana wayenje kanje yeni talent awards mabezokhuzani uza ulapha ungasondeli ukusondela kuye noma ngathi ufika la we are crazy ngaye but awusondeli duze kwakhe.
Yeah, but njengoba ngisho uma ukuthunywa umuntu ethu ukhuzani uyanibona lapha ecrowdini athi ngibizeni le ngane it doesn't have to be here but mangiyibona lapha I can send someone to actually call. That's how it works most of the time. Ibizwe ize kwi VIP. You understand? And it's special to lezi ngane. They feel like it's special to lezi ngane and then they end up being raped or whatever. But it happens. Siyakwazi yenza lezi. We've been in my VIP. We've seen abanye abantu esingesibasho ngamagama doing lezo zinto esisho identifying intombazane ngale kwi general and sending someone to call that girl ize ngapha kuyilokhuzana and then they do things that they wanted to do. We've seen that. Imagine ke being Jay-Z. Lapho sikhuluma ngo Jay-Z sikhuluma ngabantu ba big na but abantu. So imagine being Jay-Z ukuthi ikhona ningane ngathi cha ila izobona yena vele nangu Jay-Z esedoza so chill VIP. What happened? Usually lama rape kusona rape uthi wabanjwa ingane yacindezelwa phansi. You know, they just slept. Obviously mhlawumbe nayo ingane yayivumile but effect uthi ayina 13.
Yes.
That's right. So it's like that. So
akasikhiphele iqiniso lonke kusisi sisomuzo lokuthi wabanjwa kanjani.
Kodwa ke akufuneka silibaleke neqiniso lokuthi ngenzeka ukuthi oJay-Z balala nanje ingane. And kuze kube namaye they didn't care. Understand? And then when people start talking and there are other people who are interested in these things, they start influencing. You were 13 at that time. What he did was wrong. So you can come out now and say, yeah, understand? You go on a little influence also.
Possible.
Yeah, because baningi abantu abadala bena 13 years. Ababona noma kuthiwa ngiyaphuma manje. There's nothing I can gain here. Yabo. But I was 13 isikhathi lana I was wrong. But mangathiwa ngiyasho ngizogainani okay well uzoboshwa but what's in it for me? But if ngiphuma ngicome out manje ngo Jay-Z
Ungikhumbuza into eyashiwo uMac G kuze kuphuma lesi story sika DJ Fresh no Euphonic lesikhathi bekwi Prime Media ngaleso sikhathi kuze kuvela intombazane ethizeni ithi yaba rape bese clubini 2011 nangaphosisi. So wathi uMac G akavuma kaphiki because it is possible ukuthi akekho DJ eSouth Africa noma emhlabeni wonke jikelele ongeke athinteke esigamekweni because iziningi
baningi abathinteka abanye are just people abantu just like you and me because there is nothing really to gain if you come out and say usibani bani slept with me. There is nothing. Yes, engaboshwa.
Yes.
But for you, what are you going to get? Nothing. But if you Jay-Z, if you DJ Fresh, if you Euphonic, there's definitely some money to make there in the midst of everything. And also, you also must know which labo bantu abamataki nabantu abangabathandi.
True.
They can even pay money to those people who come out. You remember ukuthi akumbula ulokuza Amanda Dupont ethi if there's any girl who was raped by
Mac G, oh yeah.
You see all those things. Uyabona lo muntu is a person who actually can say I can give you 20,000 if you're going to come out and say Mac G raped you. Uyabona those situations. You know there is money now involved. So I can come out and say hey lo muntu angirape. You understand? Because I'm going to gain something. But if ngizogain a lutho, why will I waste my time lo ngihamba ama court for 2 years? Well aboshweke bese you understand? So as much as kwenzeka but ikhona insehle ukuthi vele ikhona target okukhona. It's wrong akwenza kumele aboshwe vele but I know ukuthi if it was someone else possibility this was not going to come. So that's what I'm saying.
Yabona ke impilo yobumnyama ukuthi imbi makunjani.
Exactly.
Like umuntu usuphilile thina siya praise ngapha siyakulandela siyakuthanda. Usumdala fuze ngabe manje uya retire enjoy imali yakho abantwana bakho abazukulu usejele.
Imagine Jay-Z nje going to jail forever because that's forever. Imagine OP did nje they're going through that unayo yonke imali emhlabeni but because of the things that you did now imagine R. Kelly. No one ever thought that R. Kelly would actually go to jail. After everything, after music, after imali engaka nayo, but
uthando lwethu
it's very important uphila impilo right even no athi unemali noma kuthiwa into zakho phila nje kahle so that ingabikho umuntu kusasa who can actually say this happened and this happened to you. So ziyayikhalela insizwa ke nayo kunzima kakhulu uthi impela hayi kuwes so why
makuthiwa kuwes phela kuwes okaphi
Akho west no kapi.
Kuwes obujani.
Hayi kusho west.
Kusho lo muntu bephila kusathane bewusathane okuningi kade benza.
Kuwes malume this summer. Speaking of imicimbi kunomcimbi obhuntshile lapha yana Alfred inkosi la ngalibalela Scott obekumele obekule weekend esisuka kuyo unfortunately awuzange usenzeka bakhala ngome yakhe abahlali baseScott ukuthi ke na kunje umeya ngazi noma zange abanike iground noma zange ngabasponsor kuningi nje imina abayikhomba kuyena eScott
ikanje le i-event izokuba nge-30
bekule weekend esoko
kune event ehlelwe enye kuthiwa yini enye indawo yezobumnandi like bahlele ama events and what not bebene event ke ekumtshezi festival kade beyihlelele ukuthi izoba ngomhla ka-30 kwathi yabo phela ama event anivele niwahlele nje manje ngoJuly wahlela kusenesikhathi wonke umuntu uyazi ngayo ukuthengiswa ama tickets nani and then sekuyonke into sonke sithi nje cha sihamba ngolayini singena elayinini sonke ngomhla 30 sizobe silapha wavele waqhamukisa iposter usodolopha umduduzi wathi uzokuba neevent ezokumhla 31 khipha leyo post leyo wawusho ukuthi iline up izobi kanje kukhona bokhuzani kukhona bobani bonje wakhipha bonke labo bantu esibathandayo manje ke uyabuka nje nawe mawuzoyibheka ukuthi angeke ngikhethe ievent kaNo ezoba nge-30 while lapha kuthiwa kuza obani and west kungenwa mahala
ijwayelekile futhi lento ngomasipala ngizoyisho lento because there is a friend of mine kumkhakha we fashion so ube number 1 bekuthola kunzima nje ukubooka i-hall nangabe ezokwenza i-event yakhe. Secondly eseyenzileke bese ukuthi nomkhandlu ngakusasa ukhiphe yayi post ezoba the following day efana umcimbi ofana exactly nalo kuukuthi ngoba lo owamasipala sonama artists amakhulu njani yena wakhe nje ubona ama model kuphela yazo nama fashion designers and stuff like that. The following day laba sebenza the very same event kodwa sewunama artists sekungenwa mahala zonke lezo zinto lezo wawuyeka umcimbi wakho girl bawuyeka futhi nalabo bakamasipala. I wonder kwenziwa yini lo. Ngiyafisa ukwazi ukuthi kwenziwa yini.
Mina njengoba ngibukela leyo pattern yokwenza ama events manje amasipala ngiyele kutheni ngicabanga ukuthi umasipala kanti ungokwenzani. Masizibuza wena mawucabanga nje umasipala kufanele ngabe uorganize ama events noma uthatha ama event akhona endaweni ufake imali lapho mawukuthi kudingeka imali uyabona ukuthi okay ukuze lento yalo ihambe kahle kufanele injecte imali engaka noma simnike le mali akayicelayo noma nathi asipartnerishe naye sibe naye la ukuze abantu bezoyithemba kakhulu even ama artists nawo azokwazi ukuthi ezosebenza nathi. Ngempela omasipala bahlanganaphi noku organize ama events. Mina ngizibuza lokho angisho ukuthi akufanele but umbuzo wami lapho uthi ngempela umasipala kufanele yini uorganize ama events. Ama events akusama event organizers abantu basemphakathini abayithuthukisayo abenza ibusiness ngaleyo nto. If wena as umasipala usuwenza leyo nto uthi yena akenze ini nalaba suke sebenza nabo abavulela amathuba ngaleso sikhathi.
Event organizer
those questions wabuzayo are very important because you might organize an event, especially at this magnitude. You must also understand this is not just event, it's a music festival. We're talking about artists more than 20 that are going to be there. So organize a event of that magnitude if umuntu ozoba hands on kuyona for a couple of months.
True.
So lo mbuzo obuzongqo ukuthi who ubani kahle kamasipala onesikhathi sokwenza leyo nto to organize all these things for 6 months because maybe you need 6 months to actually organize it. Ubani umsebenzi kabani kamasipala to do that? Ubani ngempela ukuthiwa wena you organizing this. Ngiyabona if they just organizing into zabo mhlawumbe bazomema ama local artists but just put ibika there and but if you're going to hire Black Coffee, if you're going to hire Java or Kuzan and all these things, you need a team to work on that. So for umasipala, which team is working on that? So who pays that team? Basebenza izwani makuthiwa umasipala wona because sikujwayele umasipala ukuthi uyaxhasa. Umasipala will sponsor the lokuzana ngokwemali nanokunikeza mhlambe i-ground or i-hall nani will sponsor, that's normal. Yeah, ama logistics phela but ukwenzeka ukuhlela komcimbi kuba kulowo umuntu lo osuke wenzile. Like you have the idea uyahamba uyopitcha kumasipala athi no kulungile siyawuthanda sizopartnerisha nawe but you organize everything. Thina sakupartnerisha nawe, we help you with this and that and this amount and this amount, we'll pay for ama artist angaka. That's how usually umasipala get involved. But ngiyengizwe abanye bethi ba organize but you'll find out ukuthi ba organize but kube kukhona umuntu masulandisela kahle oyena actually organized. So on this situation go Umjezi Festival, we also need to understand ukuthi Umjezi Festival lo awuqali lo nyaka into yenzeka each and every year. It's been happening for years.
Okay.
So into ekhona abantu basemjezi they know that it's coming. Obviously le mayor yasemjezi iyazi ukuthi it's coming. You understand? So if umasipala wanna be involved in that, the easier way is to say, bro, siyazi ukuthi une event oyenzayo kanje. Sicela ukuba involved kanje, we'll be in partnership with you. This is how much we'll give you. But this is how you empower abantu bakumasipala. But I don't understand if umasipala will be like, okay, siyazi ukuthi une event nge-30. And then umasipala organize the similar. Njengoba ngisho umasipala could have went to this guy and be like, okay, if singakusponsorisha but abantu bazongena mahhala, you understand? But thina sokuhlangabeza ngemali engaka and all that. Wena umuntu is doing an event now namhlanje ongenwa ngemali, kusasa you organizing another one ongenwa for free wona in the same area with the same artists. So I don't know angazi mina if they have advisors or they don't, or whoever, the mayors and everyone. I don't know, because in this case you instead of Senzo Wade, and even uMasipala will save a lot of money. You understand? Because already these guys already organized all these things.
Even sponsors now.
Exactly. When I tell uMasipala, you still get your shine because you're still gonna give lo muntu some money. You still get your shine. But to go as far as like lo muntu is having an event namhlanje and kusasa event organized and ngena for free, that's,
I feel like kunezinto abazilwayo la.
Yeah, exactly. Because kukhona ezinye izinto zipolitical ngesazi asimazi uba follow obe lokhuza ukuthi uyiliphi relationship wise khamba kanjani. Sometimes they do fight izinto zepolitics because they are politicians. And thina sazi
bese sibulala abantu abakwi ground abanga understand.
Because thina sazi thina we seeing G Mayor being
nice to us,
not being like bullying someone because into siyibona ukuthi ayibo
kanti bayazana
ukuthi what they are fighting for. Omunye nomunye usebenzisa amandla akhe nalo uthi mina nginamandla amakhulu kunawakho.
Kodwa ke beside konke lokhu uyabo izinto ezihlanganisa ipolitiki ikakhulukazi nomasipala le sikhuluma ngendaba ukuthi umtshezi into yomtshezi le fuze beyiphathe kube into abanayo like your Bergville extravaganza into ezokwenzeka like yes
150 Maskandi festival defana na
into nazi ukuthi edolobha lethi izokwenza.
Imagine Masipala kune 150 Maskandi festival and then the following day yenza 150 Maskandi extravaganza.
Yabo.
The following day and ngeno mahala. So we like what the fuck?
And isikhuluma la ngomasipala baphethe ama politicians okuguquka noma yinini. Namhlanje umduduze ngathi ngiyayenza le festival next year engabikho okusho ukuthi festival asaqhubeki maku ukuthi lo wayekade iqalile usethi akusafuneli.
That's possible.
Akusekho umtshezi festival.
So yini enzima ukuxhasa lento ekhona.
Uyabona.
Yes, as umasipala yini enzima ukuxhasa ukuthi hamba ukuthi no, we're going to sponsor you. We're going to put our logo there. You're going to give us 10 minutes there so umasipala to say whatever you want to say. That's it. That's how you do it. Angazi but njoba ngisho mhlawumbe kunezimpi abayelwayo that you do. It looks like to me, it looks like someone is fighting. Yeah, it looks like someone is fighting because law use pull out, which makes sense. Nama will have pulled out because at the end of the day, you can't say abantu bangena ngo 300 bazobuka ama artists abazowabuka kusasa for free. That's not good. No one is going to come. No one is going to come.
And into futhi engiveza la ke mina nama politicians angaba leaders ethu ngathi bayahluleka ukudlala ipolitiki kunala kufanele ngabe ipolitiki ayingeni khona especially lezi zinto lezi kusuke kufanele ngabe zithuthukisa umphakathi lapho fuze nje ngempela ipolitiki ingangeni ingadlali ngoba kusuke kubalekile lokho abantu kumele bethuthuke.
I do feel like there is something personal we don't know. I doubt ukuthi uMasipala just decided they just gonna naively bebengazi kunomtshezi. There is something. There is war that is here. Esingayazi.
Vele ungathola ukuthi lo useqenjini thizeni ake ngithi mhlawumbe uyiANC ngisazongibheka ukuthi yini kodwa akekho eqenjini lakhe engikwazi ukengeka kwenze lokho akwenzayo.
Definitely. So it happens.
Nanokuthi ngiyafisa ukwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani sesiya eBergville ke manje sekuyona indaba yama events. Ama events bevamisa ukuthi ngoba kuyisikhathi saDecember nje bebabaningi enziwele lapha na ke igama le ground le ndawo yangakini eSport Complex. Bevamisa ukwenzela lapho but this year qale nje ngithi ngabe kumele ibe khona ye Mother's Day nangapho sesiyagcina ngabangabikho bese kunzima nje ukuthola iground namanje extravaganza izokwenzelwa eDamini ihomecoming kaBig Zulu izokwenzelwa eThuva like kwenzakalani ngendaba.
But they said there are renovations.
Ngike ngakhuluma nabantu bakhona eBergville before sikhathi beze behlehlisele kalethu.
Oh yes.
Bachaza ukuthi bayakhanda iground.
Yeah, if there's renovations, why you wanna come and have an event there?
Alikho sesimeni sokuthi lingamumatha abantu
But wako uyibona when i-construction or something lapha?
Ngiyangibone kukhona izinto abasenzayo.
Oh.
Ukuthi ngoba ngaze kusondele
The thing is phela bafethu phela nathi funa sibe reasonable. I-ground nalifunela maintain. If you maintain iqondane event yakho akusindaba yethu leyo.
Nanokuthi
We need to maintain i-ground because at the end of the
kufanele
day.
ukuthi kube khona nendawo yokuthi kugijinywe lapha ama-athletes yabo. Kufanele kube i-ground right. Lapha kumamanzi mangicabanga ukuthi uke wabona uBig Zulu last year ukuthi kwenzakaleni.
Yes,
Babhuka uDoda again ungathi i-ground leli.
And also singakhohle ukuthi i-ground it's for sport not for events. I-ground. So if ibhola lingasadlaleki they need to do something. Noma kuthiwa uyakhona ukwenza i-event yakho ngqimaqhima but ibhola we must be able to come back tomorrow and play soccer because i-ground lebhola. So if that doesn't happen they need to renovate. It's a very good reason yokuthi we are renovating. So nivulela ngonyaka ozayo we are renovating this year.
Sifuna ukubona ngonyaka ozayo maku kusebeqedile.
Yeah.
Ukuthi bazothini it's when
if nangonyaka ozayo bethi hayi sesenzani manje yabo then sekuyi excuse but if they renovate ngempela why kumele ukuthi renovate and yaze ukwenzakalani if kwenzeka these things ngathi nje sithi yakhanda sifike kusasa kuphukile lokho besithi yakhanda so what are we doing here?
And abantu babhukuda wazo bahlabela inkomo lapha yawo. Angicabanga
And that's not a good thing.
Khona umuntu ongaya lapha eliyana
It's not a good thing.
Esama liyana uzofuna nje ukuthi event uyokwenza nje ya.
Yeah, find another venue for this year then next year comes
Kodwa ngiworried ke ngalezo kuba this
Ngisathi
weekend.
ngiyalapho ukuthi ngiworried ke ngempela ngaleli le adamu lingozi number 2 abantu bazobe sebephuzile.
Yeah, but guys amalokhu zama-event ayenziwe emadanyeni. Yeah, eNewcastle yakhona kuthiwa yini?
Ancodem.
Yeah, it's not into engazenziwe. It happens as long as benama-security measures bezofaka all these things there. Don't be a problem. It will be nice actually. There is a possibility ukuthi they will not go back to indoor if it worked. Because kungasedanyini and people will be crying. It's a nice feel, guys.
Inkingi ukuthi ngoba lela damu linesigaba.
Ngiyalisaba le.
People are dying there.
Yo.
Uzovela uqonde sicabona lo lapha ya.
Ngathi ngwele ngiyari.
Ozala.
You might be surprised. You might be coming back here Monday sithi kwaziwa umuhle umcimbi.
Yeah, let's wait and see impela yes.
Nanokuthi
Singeze ngendlela ukuthi kunjani.
abezulokhu bebhuka lana indawo yomphakathi le yamisi.
You see, they are saving money also. And it might work. I mean, I just have a belief it might work. Because I don't think abantu bazobe phakathi edanyini. Idam will be just be there and kuzofakwa this fencing thing yakhona.
Kuyi walking distance ukusuka ekhaya. It's about 15 minutes nje ukusuka ekhaya la kuzobe kukhona event. So abantu bangakithi ke sebe organize ama parking ukuthi ke na njengasekhaya nje ukuthi ekhaya ke abakwenzanga ukuthi ke na nangabe ninemoto nize nizopaka lana 50 rand per car. So sekune business elikhona lapha endaweni zasemakhaya. So
Manje nina kini manage why ningenzanga ama parking?
ayekhaya kubuyelwa ngisho kubuyelwa sekujontshwe imoto zabantu lana.
Hayi ngizobe uvuka njengendoda.
Sonke nje ngiqala imoto yabantu.
You think people will go park there?
Kukhona imizi enama parking akini?
No one will go there.
Oh
Because again lapha it's an open space. Yeah, definitely security will be provided for imoto zabantu.
lapha kuzobe kune space esikhulu.
Yeah, there is obviously a huge space. No one's gonna come ezopaka emzini wakho and ayibo. Maye park emzini wakho does that mean imoto yakhe safe in?
Asazi ke impela
Because it does yidulele wena. It doesn't mean it's safe. Nanokuthi mase ngena ke ngizoyikhipha uyazi intimi.
kodwa nasesileleke futhi ngiyayibo njalo ukuzwela abakopotshini kuzobe kuyithi ke impela kuloko umsindo Jehova.
Yakona mayihambe kahle indawo yabo inamanzi ku rice the pictures and what not kuzobe kukuhle but nje
But abantu ngini let's hope ukuthi bahlani njengoba usho they will make money. Ngiwanga kini mina I will be thinking about how I'm going to make money out of this because there's going to be a lot of people coming ngiyenza kanjani imali ziningi indlela to make money.
Buya nokungena lapha neqaleni abadayisi bekumela ukuthi ungene ngaphakathi egroundini na ufuna ukuyodayisa ukudla zonke lezi.
Yeah, namanje kuzoba njalo perfect. It's not like it's going to be on the open space. So not perfect to understand. there's gonna be ifence ezofakwa lapha. Yeah, angithi angekho free. There's gonna be ifence, you need to go through ifence before ungene ngaphakathi. So that's how they're gonna do it. I would is gonna be like when perfect uzoyiphumela nje in and just go there. It's not. So kuzongena esangweni, there's gonna be isango la nizongena khona.
But sengisho ukuthi ngizokhona ukuphuma egate ngihambe ngiyothenga kuMasibanibane lapha phansi kwesihlahla.
Yeah.
Yes,
but why uphuma uyothenga kuMasibanibane when there's someone who paid for your stall who's here inside selling the same thing there's uMasibanibane ngaphandle?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so ngayihambela uyihlalela uMasibanibane. So dayisela abangezukungena bazobe dry ngaphandle abangenama.
Ngoba bakhona.
Abangenama.
Uyakhumbula nje emcimbini kaMshoza naneku eBackville abantu bavula wabo umcimbi ngaphandle ngenxa ukuthi kungenwa ngemali.
Bazobe sithengani so that people bengikwazi ukubona bengaphandle.
Ngoba ngiyakubosha.
No, what I think ukuthi the stage is going to be facing it down.
Oh.
That's how you do it. So that
akekho umuntu
ozoba ngale weda.
Oh, I get you.
Angazi mabe sifise kanjena ke bazobuka belephe labantu. But if stage is face it down and then they cover everything up on this side and that's it, will need to be here.
Oh yeah.
Because makunjalo abantu bazo stage. But I think phela nabo
ila bazocula khona ke befuna ukuyoma eduze kofenisi kaleni ukuthi bezobona ngani.
Ayike.
Speaking of ama event kwenzakalana inkonka iya liquidate ngiyaphela ngayo.
Inkonka kuthiwa ukuhlwane umnikazi wayo ukuhlwane uPitso.
Kuthiwa khona nento.
Kuthiwa unesikweletu esingaphezulu ka 10.2 million. So yona reason yokuliquidate kwenkonka.
Ukoleta bani usaza?
Une loan ayithatha nje ngithi manje thina sosithi ukuthi uyabona inkonka akuhamba abantu abanemali kusho ukuthi inkonka inemali. Kanti nomuntu wenkonka uyahamba uthatha ama loans kwabanye abantu ukuze philele level ye status lesi salabantu ababiza la. Kahle kahle bengenayo imali nayo for this lifestyle.
Ngiyacisha ngivumele ngakuza ukuthi ke na kunabantu abakhokhelwayo ukuthi bathenge these expensive bottles like kukhona nawo uzohehe ukuthi ha sekuthenga uSibanibani othi nami ngilithenge kodwa imali bizophuma la ngaphakathi yokuthi ke na ukhokhele wena bese ke na mhlambe ke na abakhona la ngaphakathi bese bayawathenga ka amabhodlela ngoba sebebone wena ke njengomuntu odumile noma njalo.
Benza noma ngabe yini abantu for yabo futhi nje lobucebecebe nje impilo lesheshayo benza noma ngabe yini uthola ukuthi umuntu uyambona ugqoka bo ma LV bo bagusho abangemoto ethizeni aka own lutho lapho akanamali.
Kahle kahle nje ufuna masikhuluma ngolimi lojwayelekile istock siphelile. Asakwazi ukuthenga esinye.
Yeah.
Uwile.
Yeah,
okay.
Akasenamali.
Asenikhuluma uliquidation.
Useyikwele.
Lesa sport isiwile.
Sport inkonka.
Ya phela ibhodi ziyawa nje left right and center ukuthi sport samasiya azakhona ukuthenga yilo because imali uyidlile. Uyidlile la.
Kubuhlungu uyakhumbula ukuthi phela inkonka sike sayidla. Yama la iqaleni.
Inkonka was well marketed. Well marketed. Whoever was doing marketing inkonka was on a higher level.
Iphi njengamanje?
They are more expensive. Nezinye indawo is more expensive than inkonka. But that's us today. But we know about inkonka. Well, none of what ibise lokushini and all these things. But whoever was doing marketing there,
indlela eya attract abantu yaletha yadonsa abantu abadumile abanemali abaphezulu bathole bese lokushini akujwayelekile ukuthi kungavele kuze abantu go stake lechi.
And ikhona possibility nje perfectation they were paid. Maybe also means were paid to be there. They also means can't just come.
It's like uyabook.
Yeah, you got booked just to be there. Obviously abantu bacabanga ukuthi hey kuzo Somizi kanti Somizi actually making
shila nabo Somizi get no Somizi ga imali.
So you need money to do that. You need money to do that.
So ucilile ke
inzima la sport iswile ibsuthi
inzima la ndaba yokho
ibhodi ziwa left right.
Haya
Khona la was going back dayiswa kusadayiswa utshwala. Kwenze kanjani asadayiswa umenzi lapho umenzi. Uyile umenzi yawiwa naye uyile nje. Yeah, so uyile for sure khona uzothenga yini yakhumbula uzabo lokhuze yakhumbula iza club za kaKenny Kunene. It was also is this big. Iphi today nowhere to be found.
Nanokuthi ngibukela mina manje abantu angazi noma ubukela kwami nezinto ezingiqhamukelayo mina nabantu esengibaba wathi ngihamba umsuthu kuya ngokuthi wena ubukelani ngaleso sikhathi kuleyo nto leyo but abantu sebeyithandela bo yini ngambe le lapha lehanjiwe woBig Zulu kakhulu eGoli ngomayimayi abantu sebenokuthanda nje lezo zinto lezo esingekho like top before
no abantu abaphuza abamathatha
abantu abaphuza
abamathatha there's a reason why thatha lemnambithi there's a reason why ukuthi kwezinye inyanga kuthiwa abantu abasaya kaJackson sebehamba
beze begceka kaJackson
yebo sebehamba it's just bahamba nehype whatever is hyped they will go there whatever is hyped they will go there that's how they work
uyakhumbula nje before
mawukwazi ukuba hyper enough to actually come they will come
sifika nje la emnambithi indlela enzansi yayinkulu kabi lena ohla ngomashisoni chapters was a thing chapters ngalezi yakhathi manje nje wagcina nenokuzwa ukukhuluma ngechapters
akhono the lab kwakhona but abanye bazi sofele the lab
abanye bathi bafele etendeni
sekune
so abantu betshwala nje banjalo whatever there is hype unyana they will just go there uyibuza uthi ngoba lo butshwala ubudezela buyafana yini so abantu nje futhi botshwala
there was a time where abantu beyithandele uMax lifestyle whenever usethi go ba Max wagcina
ni eyadini lifestyle ukufa kumnikazi weyadi kwasho kusho ukuthi utshwala busekhona
yabona
babe khona wayengahlali
everything was there kwakushone nje umnikazi wayo why bengasayi manje why
ngoba
nasekhonka is the same thing ne possibility kunenye nje yavulwa eshisayo esingayazi they decided to go to Khonka they
akusangene umuntu
la that's why kubalekile ukuthwala when you have these things it's very important because mangathwele people will leave
ngake ngezwe kuthiwa khona
we have to come up ne strategy to call them back but thwala nje simple
kuthiwa khona enye la emnambithi ethwele ne angizukusho ukuthi yipi ngoba sengakuyophuza khona kuthiwa kunokubonakala izinto nje ebusuku
nami ngayizwa ke lo ndaba
kusho sinethi uzahayike bengayi
wasiphuza nenkukhu
ngisho ngolutho eyenkukhu angiyifakanga mina kuthiwa khona nenkukhu
but yet lento yenkukhu I don't think ekuthwala leyo if you know inkukhu when there is light inkukhu doesn't sleep
but inkukhu ifuna nedolobheni
nayi inkukhu igcweleke la edrobheni if ukuthi uhlala la edrobheni they are everywhere so inkukhu when there is light they can eat the whole night I think that's what happens there enkukhwini because ukhumbule phela ukuthi le ndawo ilapha khona omakhelwane khona abantu surrounded by people who have inkukhu so whenever there is light inkukhu will go to that light
abantu sebezakhela idolo
they're just making stories it's just abantu they will make stories baqala ukubona inkukhu ayilali makanya
name namashe
no ezinye izinto zenze ufune zenze isense
akalipheki uphuthu lithenga khona zonke insuku
no but mawuyazi inkukhu you know what I'm talking about mawife uyinkukhu you know inkukhu ayilali if it was something else again if there was a snake inyana that comes out but inkukhu nina ngazi manikhayisa inkukhu ilight la kini phandle inkukhu niyibona ebusuku
azeke inkukhu asifoyanga ekhaya
that's why you must listen to me so mawukhanyisile ebusuku inkukhu will not sleep makukhanya phandle thothi ihoke nje light uzoyibona inkukhu lo iqhanda la ibantu bamba kuyakhaya futhi ke
kuyahlanga ukuthi ziphi inkukhu
no zonke
ezasemakhaya ziyalala
zonke makukhanya ilali
kuyakhanya lightini kodwa tamama ziyalala ayihambe baleni inkukhu zasekhaya sikelele ebusuku
ukhona nokudla ezingakudla okusokukhona
kusuke kungekho ukudla lapha sokhontshwa
lapha kudliwa inyama lapha abantu balahla phansi amathambo abantu inkukhu eat that thing izwa lo if there's something to eat inkukhu wawabona inkukhu ubona makune noma inhloko siziba khona ngakini ngene ihlobo inhloko usul play around
popolwane
popolwane
we play around the light that's when you'll see inkukhu ezingalele eating labo popolwane around at light. So lapha there's always something to pick la phansi because abantu badla inyama bachitha la, abantu badla ipapa kuyachitheka, there's always something to eat. And lezi nkukhu is not like inkukhu zidla. If you've seen beyishoot zidla inkukhu. Inkukhu ayilali guys. If there's food inkukhu ayilali, if there's food and light inkukhu not.
So what if ke isithwalo, I'm not saying kukanjani.
Yeah.
What if vele isithwalo sahehe inkukhu ngoba siyazi vele inkukhu ayilali uzocabanga nje ngokucabanga.
I'm saying angiphiki ukuthi isithwalo, but before decide ukuthi isithwalo, let's try and see ukuthi kuyayenza any sense.
It does.
Uyayizwa into engisho. So if kuyenza sense ke, why is it isithwalo?
Mina singenzela kakhulu isense.
That's why ngithi ukube bekuyinyoka lephumayo, then now it doesn't make sense. Now sekuyisithwalo ke.
No, into ekufanele ukuthi siyenze kumele sihambe selapha siyofuna upotsho ukuthi inkukhu zakwazi nopotsha la
Inkukhu ayidingi upotsho, iyandiza inkukhu.
Phezulu
inkukhu ingena noma ngayikuphi inkukhu.
Inkukhu awuyazi inkukhu iyandiza.
Inkukhu ingena noma
inkukhu ebusuku nje iyeke la ilokhu indiza zonke inkukhu zilokhu indiza.
Kunokudla la.
Ingena noma ngayikuphi.
Ikubone kanjani?
Ingakho uzobona ingade emakhaya zina lezi zinto eziphephezile.
Angikuphikisi ukuthi kuyenza lokho kodwa iza ngoba ibonile. Ikubone kanjani
manje mana emini futhi inkukhu ayizi lapha emini. Suke ingekho emini.
Habo.
Cha ngiyabuza. Inkukhu isuke ingekho emini. Abantu balabenza ngale inkukhu eqhamuka ebusuku nasemini. Le nkukhu ayithola. Zikhona nje inkukhu la edrobheni. Khona nje ziningi.
Zikhona ngiyazazi.
So yini manje masiqhamuka kube ngathi into engazibonakala la edrobheni. Yabona kube nje azikho sidalo iqhamuka nje ngo12. Sithi hayi but nasemini kuyenze kuhlala nenkukhu la edrobheni. So ikabani
bathi inkukhu iyabaleka mos ngeke vele izohlala esiphithipithini sethu. Ngisho ibikhululeke nje singena isithushe.
Inkukhu ibaleka phela mangabe nifuna ukuyibamba. Kodwa inkukhu ingangena la. Manginombila la. Mhleli la inkukhu ngafika iwudle.
Yazi ngani ukuthi ngifuna ukuyibamba ngoba ngiyadansa.
Cha sengiyashuthi. Kodwa inkukhu if ifuna ukudla la izokudla nihleli la.
Intshontsha kodwa. Ithi cha.
Nakhona enza kanjalo kanti
izanjani. Ngeke abantu abaningi izontshontsha. Ihamba la phansi kwenyawo zabo kuthiwa.
Mina I'm saying ukanje umuntu uthwele wena. Iyenzekayo ino awazi uperfect uthi ngithwele ngoba ujwayele ungifica ngiphuza amanzi. Amanzi ayaphuza.
Wena
but mangabe ngiphuza igazi. Hayi. Now that's not normal. Mawufica inkukhu.
What if igazi lithanda?
Akukho normal though, noma uthanda. Sengingakucabangela ukuthi uthwele because it's not a normal thing. So ukubona inkukhu idla guys. Akuzukuthwala lo.
Asivaleli bakithi, sivale nge.
Before uyivala, nizwe uThuphi kuziluthwele.
Hayi that is a fake news.
Basho njalo kodwa.
Why sekuyifake mase kubig zulu?
Cha ukuthi ngoba nawuthi usondelene na le video ngelalelisisile akusi voice ka big zulu lekhuluma.
There is a video.
Kune video nje ngayisendela uSiqobo ekhuluma ethi inyoka yami ngikhiqizela 150,000 ngobusuku angisazi
manje wayo akusuke
hayi akusuke izulu
kahle ngikuxoxela abantu abathwele makuthi awukazeke uhlale naye umuntu othwele yazi umuntu othola kwazi ukushintsha izwi lakhe ngathi kukhuluma ugogo omkhulu la like ngayi
manje wayo umuntu othwele enze video yethu 12
abamanje
that's why I'm saying you need to apply logic to everything. It doesn't make sense when people will wake up one day like ngithwele inyoka yami ngicizela u10,000 rand akuyenzi sense lokho. Let's someone
nami nje akungenzelanga sense
angaze ngizwe ivideo but I don't think umuntu othwele will come out and say hey ngithwele and all these things. Well ngaphandle emakuthi ufuna vele leyo attention ukuthi usually kuyaye kuba abantu akade bethwele sebefuna ukuyeka.
What if uke
uthini ivideo?
What if uke uyayiveza sifuna ukuyeka?
Nanokuthi bese ngeke silo siyibuza ukuthi uBig Zulu yini ubezosho nje sizwe sonke simbone sonke ukuthi uperfect will be doubting if uyena. Angizwa ngevideo.
No, I'm not saying uthwele ngiyasho nje kubeka la ukuthi kukavela inkulumo ezinjalo and abantu nje bakhuluma kakhulu. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi into isukela ekutheni uBig Zulu been buying cars yonke lonto and then abantu once umuntu waphumelela wavela ukuthi unemali baqala.
That's the thing what we all see ukuthi uBig Zulu works hard.
Yes.
Yeah siyakubona asazi ke phela. Kodwa nje if njoba ngisho ukuthi yonke la supply ni logic uyasebenza uBig Zulu like he works like almost every month there's something that is coming out of stable sakhe unawa endorsements amaningi mhlambi ukuthwala okuletha lawo ma endorsements asazi but mangathiwa nje siyaqala ngokomsebenzi wakhe one of the most hardworking artists in South Africa.
Ngokwaleya video nje cha it's a fake news lapha nje like
makabe ngakade kungasi video kushiwo nje bozokuvuma
uyavela yini video yena
akaveli
oh i voice
kuzwakala nje voice bese kulokhele kuvela imoto zakhe
so why do people assume ukhuluma njengaye
uzenza kanjalo uzenza like wenkabe
how did you decide ukuthi akusuye decide ngoba yini what made you decide
sengabona like sengihlalele kakhulu ku AI ngawabona
that's not a good thing not a, is the voice ka Big Zulu na
nangabe uyazi voice ka Big Zulu uzobhayisa ngempela uthi uyena akusiyona le ifana nje nalebi ngibuke ekseni ezenza uRamaphosa lo advertiser yini lezinto lezo zokutrader ethi ke na trader kanjani
uzwe ngevoice
sizwe ivoice nje sakusiyo Big Zulu lo yes
I don't know mina nje ngisebenzisa logic ukuthi I don't think noma kuthiwa uthwele he will come out and say ngithwele mina no noma kuthiwa uthwele so angayizwa but I don't think uyena ukhuluma makuyena hey
good for him kodwa umuntu mangabe ethwala usuke ezithwalela yena
yes kukhathazwa yini futhi
sokungasekwethu ukuthi senzelani ngoba
nathi but nina benixeka manje inkukhu lapha
no bengingaqeki inkukhu
seku right bese ku Big Zulu kodwa makuse inkukhu hayi
nakhona sithene enkukhwini nakhona sithene enkukhwini ngoba besibika ukuthi kuthiwa njengoba sisho nakuBig Zulu ukuthi kuthiwa
why asivaleli ke album kaMenzi guys uMenzi udrophile Friday useke waba yelike useke waba yenye yama guest ethu la udrophile ialbum yakhe sithina sihloko sayo kambe sesigugile osesoguga into efana nalezo sizesiguge yes so ngilalelile ngingakayilaleli yonke because ngisalalela ngiqala ukuzwa namhlanje nami bengazi ukuthi usedrophile but ngithandile ingoma ethi uMampatile like umnandi insimbi zakhona zemnandi everything nje I think it's nice I think iyacula
ikhuluma ngani Mampatile
ikhuluma ngani
uthanda insimbi
bana ngizokutshela ikhuluma ukuthi ke na I guess waye ngizoza ngiqamba manga guys but I think kunothando phakathi besafunda esikole bedlala umacashelana into efana naleza I guess
yes kukhona le ethi wamala kanjani wayethi usithanda sobabili and khona nale futhi le ngathi yabalisanyana kodwa
nethi ngikhumbula umntanami akusahlaleke emzini
no ngicathi le nokuguga thina sesigugile
sizesiguga sokana
uhlala ekhaya uzobe na 40
sokana nabazukulu very nice album
hayi ngone but ngisazoyinika isikhathi ngilalelisise kahle but nje well done to for amabizelo
nah it's a nice album
embakele sasigameko nje asixoxela sona stable sakhe nani
one of my album omnandi they are not overhyped because amanye ama album are overhyped
and khoneka lona nje overhyped
thinking ukuthi when you listen you like but lento le
umenza ucule kamnandi kunomthandeni
nokhuzana
ingoma zakhe siya relate nazo nje ingoma ezira
yiko ngithi nama album they are overhyped because of exactly that but umenzi nje comparing umenzi with la album esikhuluma ngawo umenzi as even like album yakhe is just there
yabo nje album kaMenzi kanti encane who else okhiphile ngisalala ama album amnandi ama album abukunala besithi inkunzi zamaskandi
ngoba ngithi akhona phela overhyped you try to listen like I also didn't like kaSicebi
nami kaSicebi ngiphoxileke uSicebi yazi kanti nje umuntu oyakangishayile kakhulu
didn't like kaSicebi but ke iminyaka ifani umenzi did well man umenzi
umenze ungiqala ngama-cover
Hayi.
nini ngibona lezi zinto zakho ayifaka la mama-ke mane mbamba izinqama
Last year waye u-goalkeeper, this year ugqoke i-jumpsuit-ke manje-ke.
I think it's very creative, man. It's very creative. It's very creative. No music work, creative. That's the thing about umculo. Kumele masilalela sizwe creativity, sizwe artist kuwe. Some artists lawa nje sikhuluma ngawo. Sometimes ayikho lento artist. Some bavele bakunikeze nje kunjalo. You just get everything. There is nothing to think about. There is nothing to
udlala ngamagama.
Yeah, akube wena umculo uyi-poet, we need to somehow siyihlaziye ingoma yakho for some reason. Umenzi is doing that.
Uthi ulalela ingoma yamenzi uyithole ngasekugcineni ukuthi manje.
Exactly. That's what we need. You can't just nje
bahadla obala.
Abanye baba yimbongolo webabanyana. That's all you giving us. That's it. EP art in this thing. There's no art. Uvele wabhala nje amagama that anyone can actually write. But when you listen to Menzi, you find art there. This person is an artist actually. Also, engithanda that one is actually growing on me. That one, ka Smirnoff. That is actually a good album.
Smirnoff.
Kune album elisha kunale ngoma le ethini what's the title of the song? He actually shot a music video in Dubai. Oh man, what is this? Fast Lane. Fast Lane igama lengoma. It's actually a nice album, that one. That guy can actually sing. That guy can actually sing. You must listen. Because I listened to it once, I was like, nah. But when you come back for the second time, this guy actually can actually sing. He shot a music video in Dubai.
Ngibonile kuthiwa ngathi hayi mhlambe uhlanganise lento zengo to know eDubai.
Those guys can actually sing. Bayeke laba abadumile. Those guys abaseceleni nje abaqhamuka esayidini abanjengabo Menzi nabo Smirnoff, they actually good laba bantu
laba dumile basobe skipele ngoba ukuhlukanisa ngayo unyaka.
Yabo nje laba nje awu2 laba abadumile, mina only listen to them once. I was like, what the hell am I listening to?
Kwakusho my brother engemlamayo ethi ke na yazi sekuze kucula ngisho laba akuthola ukuthi abadlali ngabayithola ngisho i-airplay le bese babiza ngamavukano ukuthi angazi noma
le bayacula labo bantu
ukuthi zikhahlela ngempela lezo nsizwa lezo ungezumuntu
kodwa nje laba ba-overhyped laba baka TikTok abathenga ama-influencer lapha to actually push the songs. Forget if you want maskandwa ngempela hamba kulaba ungabazi. That's where you actually get to music. Laba nje ungabanakile sidalo music wakhona top notch unless vele uyibhimbela.
Yes.
Unless uyibhimbela nengoma zabo eziningi laba abadumile balokho bencufana le ngoma uyamncofa ngentombi umama uyingane
like beside ngcofa ayikho art. There is no art in them. Bacula nje ingoma that I think the other week we spoke about Uphuza Chemist.
Yes.
They don't address some social ills just now but badala. It's people that we actually expecting ukuthi bazokhuluma ngezinto that are concerning us right now. But busy nje ngama gimmicks. I'm not a fan of those guys.
Bika to Menzi.
Kodwa kusalayo Sivana.
What is it?
No.
Amakhosi asezoqeqeshwa njalo. Zwidi.
Yeah, I heard that.
Yeah.
They're gonna attend the training.
Amakhosi ezine
NQ level 6. But is it NQ?
Yeah.
NQ level 6. NQF level 6. Bazoqeqeshwa in politics and governance. I think they're just gonna do public management thing.
Yeah, because yona.
I think they're gonna do it because of public management. That's what they need to do.
Kodwa ke kuhle ukuthi bahambe bayofunda so bezo understand ukuthi yini kufanele bayenze. As much as ubekiwe ku position kwasesikhathi nje uthatha nezinqumo nje uthatha into ngoba nakuvuke namhlanje ukuthi bheka le ubheke khona.
But I don't agree with that.
Barathi bengafundanga.
Yini abayifundayo?
Njenganamanje amakhosi ngiyacatsha abazazi nanokuthi benzani emphakathini because khona ama counselors
that course is going to teach them what to do.
Bazokwazi ukuthi nama responsibilities zakhona la.
Le anti izowafundisa what to do politically, not causically.
I get you.
It's not going to teach them how to be
what if
amakhosi
izobe ngasi public management
No.
esisho
the fact ukuthi bathi it's a curriculum ekhandiwe. It's definitely ayikhandwa ngabantu abazi ukuthi how to rule, how to be amakhosi.
What if can't wait?
We all know that. Labo bantu didn't go to school, didn't do all this. The education abayidingayo leyo ukuthi how to rule people ngokobukhosi. Not,
if izobe injalo ngokobukhosi?
No, but
izobe yenziwe kanjalo.
Let me read for you ukuthi bathini. Let me read for you bathini. So that you will understand.
Phela public management yamakhansela. If we introduce this NQ level banfuze kube yamakhosi.
Let me show you.
Then if ngase yamakhosi ke.
The thing is ubukhosi ngeke uyokufunda esikoleni guys. Ngeke uyokufunda esikoleni because ama responsibility enkosi kumele uwafunde. Not emphakathini like where esizweni, you know. Amakhosi azoqeqesha ukwenza iziqu ze NQF level 6 kwezobuholi kanye nokubusa. Yayizo into engisho. Isifundo sinama module esikhombisa ahlanganisa izifundo kwezomthetho, ukubusa, umnotho nokuthuthukiswa kweindawo zasemakhaya. Wena-ke you know what I'm talking about. Lezi zinto lezi ozaziyo now.
But
there's no but. You know what I'm talking about. This is exactly the cause that you're talking about.
Manje kuyafana
So ukhosi is something else. Ukufunda public management is something else. This is teaching them to be politicians.
Okay, yes. Ngokwenu ke amakhosi right njengoba nje.
Amakhosi need to be taught, but they don't need to be taught by the government.
Need to be taught by who?
By isizwe abaphuma kusona. They need to be taught by whoever. Yabona nje ukumisa uZulu engenile into ekumele afundiswe yona before this is how you treat people. But now I don't think iyasiza ukubafundisa how to be politicians. It doesn't help. Because babafundisa ukuthi how to be ingcelebane is enough for them. That's what they are teaching them. So amakhosi don't need.
But njengamanje bayizingcelebane zabo.
Babafundisa ukuba eziwest now. Because sebezoba ingcelebane ifu. Angithi sebezo understand some of the things that we I understand ukuthi okay. Hey mase khulumile secretary general ayikho into engizoyisho because kuthiwa lapha emthethweni. You understand? That's not what inkosi should learn. Inkosi can learn that ifundela nje, but not how ukuthi kumele isizwe size isiphathe kanje. Kunomthetho ebekiwe bekwe yizwe ukuthi inkosi ufuna iphathe kanje. That's what they are actually going to teach them.
But
akona ama politicians lapha.
Inkosi futhi number 1 uzofunda once njalo wajoina I mean kwandlula ubabakho sokuyinkosi bese uyangena ke wena bese uyafunda bazolenza kanjani uhlelo lakho.
Yazi mina kumina bekuwukuthi mhlawumbe bazokwenza lezi ifundo zabo ziba available kule lokhutshela yaba ngazi ukuthi bizwa ngani lento yabo kuba nenduna nani like
yabona if it was that that was good. I would come from the government. Come from bona ba amakhosi bethi guys I think we need to teach each other how to run indawo esikuzona. This is how we run indawo esikuzona. This is how we run indawo esikuzona. I understand? But fundisane not the government to say guys we're going to teach
not for certification.
Not for certification. You don't need abona basebenza NQF level nje sekuthi kune curriculum manje ebekwe and lezi zinto engishoyo njengokuthi uyazazi wena. Ezomthetho, ukubusa, umnotho nokuthuthukiswa indawo zasemakhaya. That is public management and it's a course ekhona efundwayo. Whoever wana work kwamasipala bayifunda le course. Amakhansela are encouraged to actually do this course. So they are just creating the minimum councillors for themselves
and
so that they can actually control them even more.
Ngokwe public admin kuhanjwa ngalawo ma rules.
Exactly.
Admin.
So if you teach amakhosi lokho wafundisa amakhosi landelani nansi umthetho. Yeah. So ukwafundisa is nothing wrong. I just feel like they shouldn't be taught by the government. Kusho ukuthi after this njengoba be-useless nje kona even be more useless.
Kunemithetho abazoyilandela bengizoyiphula because umuntu nomuntu unesizwe sakhe nendlela bephile ngaso kuleso sizwe.
Exactly, because isizwe nesizwe yabona mangithi ngakwaZungu I belong phansi kwisizwe sakwaZungu
ngezenzo.
Sinemithetho yethu. So who's supposed to teach us that? Uhulumeni uyazi ngani imithetho yethu?
And so now sekuzoba normal.
Sekuzoba ne-uniform. Akhona amakhehla kaZungu azithi kwaZungu thina senza kanje. Okumele wona afundise inkosi.
I thought bekuyinto efana nalokho into engiyaye ngiyibuke noma ngiyibheke even kuyinkosi yethu yamanje ukuthi yabona ukuba uMisuzulu was like enobabakhe bona bonke abafana bakaZulu bala bayafundisa ukuthi nizokwenza kanje whoever yongena ebukhosini uzoyiphatha kanjena uzokwenza kanjena angeke sikhale ngokuthi uhluke kakhulu ngobabakhe because imfundiso vele umuntu mayekufundisa you more likely to become into ayona noma uleke kancane than ukuthi ningafani style.
Well, that's not it.
Bengisho ukuthi into ezoba kanjani.
NQF level 6 nje lo ile kumele ifundwe amakhansela.
Kuzoba standard now is
bafuna ukuba controller kahle bazobuza ukuthi awu kanti yini wawuyifunda obo lapha kuyashiwo ku section bani bazobafundisa constitution.
And I think kuzoba align vele nalento yabo abaphansi kwayo nje manje yini lento le cocta ingivele seyizo align kahle yephansi.
Exactly. So if it was education nje yabo nezizwe zabo ngokuhlukahlukana kwazo that perfect.
I thought into efana.
But this is out.
Usezokwazi uku-apply kamasipala manje.
This is out. This is literally saying aba understand ezinye izinto esibatshela zona abayi-understand ngoba bafundile. So asibafundise ke sizothi masibatshela ukuthi mawuyinkosi awunayo i-right yokuthi azi ukuthi lento wayifunda angabe sarebella ethi mina ngiyinkosi la. This is what I want.
Kuzwa ngani ngoba.
Yeah, uyabona into abafuna ukuyenza khumbula inkosi yaseMatiwane ithi umuntu omithisa intombazane la uyayithatha. Mangabe sifundile inkosi yaseMatiwane ngeke isakusho lokho. Ngoba emthethweni nawo iconstitution ye South Africa wrong lokho. Kodwa mina njengenkosi la ezweni sami mangithi lokho kuyenze kwenziwa kanje. Ngisho njalo because that's what my father taught me.
Wonke umuntu kufanele ukuthi abide kuleyo nto leyo.
Yeah, so that's what they are teaching them. When you might think it's good, it's not. It's bad, it's worse.
Asevalena sekuvule kumcimbi wommusic ngapha eceleni kwamakhelwane. Khulukhulu anibusise ke bakithi, don't forget to like, subscribe, press that notification bell. Yonke into nje ezokwenza ukuthi sikhule kakhulu. Sikhona na Facebook uthukela News Times.